Want to know how to explore the Instagram maps? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So you need to know how Instagram maps work first. So how it works is it's just where you can see where your friends are and how they post their stories and their posts according to their location. So we have also created a video on how to access Instagram maps, so make sure to watch it. So once I've done that, here you should be seeing your correct map writer zoomed out all over, and you can see various posts all the way America and much more. So you can just simply zoom in order to check it. So these highlights, orange highlights, mean it's a story, and no highlights like these mean it's a post. So you can just simply select it right here. This is your current location and the location's post, as you can see, of Formula 1. So you can see as well this where you can just simply explore stadiums where your friends are, where your following or followers are, and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.